Simplify the following expressions. So part A, we've got 5a plus 3a. And the key point here is that like terms can be collected together. So we've got 5 lots of a plus 3 lots of a. If you've got 5 lots of a and 3 lots of a, that means now you have 8 lots of a. So what we're saying here is that 5 times a plus 3 times a is the same as just doing 8 times a. B, 5n plus 3 plus 2n plus 6. So grouping like terms together. So I'm going to have 5n and then I'm going to write 2n. So looking for the like terms, and I'm going to have 3 plus 6. It's good sometimes to put the like terms together so you can see how many you got all together. So here I've got 5n plus 2n. That makes 7n. And then 3 plus 6, which makes 9. The final one, 7x minus 3 minus 4x minus 9. So again, doing the same idea, 7x, and this time taking the sign with the thing, with the term. So it's going to be 7x minus 4x minus 3x, sorry, minus 3 minus 9. 7x minus 4x makes 3x, 7 minus 4 makes 3 lots of x, and then minus 3, take away 9, so using our rules of negative numbers, that will give me minus 12. So this has been a video to show you how to collect like terms together of an expression. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.